Updating your personal information on Adyen is a straightforward process that ensures your account details are current and accurate. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled personal information or similar. Click on this option to access the details you can update. Step 4. Update your information. Review the current information displayed and make the necessary changes. This may include your name, address, phone number, or email. Ensure that all new information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to confirm your changes and ensure they are applied to your account. By following these steps, you can easily keep your personal information up to date on Adyen. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Adyen's customer support for assistance.